Self-contained, peaceful even though on the lakefront. Beautiful room and a huge spa bath. Excellent kitchenette. Comfortable stay. We enjoyed our nights here. Was unfortunate for us we had to leave a day early. But the hotel met our needs throughout our stay. We thoroughly enjoyed our time here. We'll recommend it to family and friends if they visit Taupo. Exceptional, clean, tidy and perfect location. Very nice. Well-equipped mini apartment, nice bed, including a spa jacuzzi, polite and helpful staff. Good place to stay. Nice accommodation, and we were upgraded twice after email communication. Nice view of lake from top floor and clean unit. The bathroom was quite small. The room for the pull-out sofa was a bit small for the extended sofa. Exceptional. Very handy to shopping. Friendly staff and good value for money, albeit a little dated on the exterior. Could do with a spruce up, as the motel is not overly inviting from the outside as compared to the rooms which have obviously been renovated. Would recommend, however.